Remember, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas.
Ah.
Hey everyone, Joanne here today. We're outside the Kraken Cafe. Yes, the Kraken Cafe here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Just off the strip. You can see like some of the buildings, the big old tall buildings like those ones right behind me. And so here we are today to do a massive burger challenge. I'm trying to go by this pillar. It's a little windy out here today. So guys, for this burger challenge, it features 8 of their signature sandwiches and then a big serving of their house-made signature French fries. I know some of these burgers are like Bison. There's a salmon burger. There is, of course, like more traditional cheeseburgers, French fries. They're like a seasoned house French fry. So I'll get you kind of a little bit more details about the actual burgers themselves. Like I said, there's a lot of different items, very unique items going into this. We do have a 35-minute time limit in order to get the meal for free, and if not, it's a $100 price tag. So hoping to get that meal for free, guys, but I'm definitely excited. Should be good. I love burgers. I love food. This is a very well-known place. They started as a food truck. I think they're around for, I don't know, 8, maybe even more years. Kind of became a staple in the kind of Las Vegas food truck scene. And then they opened this brick and mortar. So, Kraken Cafe, their slogan is literally, let's get cracking. So, let's get cracking, let's head in, have some fun, eat some food. And at that, guys, there's a big sign right there. They just opened a couple months ago, so super excited to be here. And yeah, burgers, fries, everything. Let's go eat. All right, everybody, so here with all the food. Definitely a lot. These are huge. Like the freaking size of this bison burger is like massive. Huge patty, guys, and well, eggs. Big egg on burger person. Let me know what you think about eggs on burgers down below. But what we actually have. So right here, I actually have the salmon burger, which is pretty cool. I've actually never had I had salmon sandwiches. I don't know if I had a salmon burger, which is pretty sweet. I have the Thousand Islands burger right here. So that has like their house-made Thousand Islands sauce, some guacamole. Kind of like, I'm sure it's gonna be very, very fresh, you know? I have the, of course, bison burger here, even with calamari rings on it. Super unique. There's also a kind of port wine reduction. I have over here the umami burger right here. So we are talking an egg, umami, right? Some beef, some lovely cheese. Similarly, that port wine reduction. I believe there's also a short rib on there and a little bit of a skirt steak. Then I have kind of the cheeseburger back here. You know, a classic but goodie. It's hard to go wrong with a cheeseburger. I have their chicken sandwich here. Now this looks really good, guys. We got cheese, we got pickles. I do love me some pickles on a good chicken sandwich. And I'm sure this is gonna be fantastic because these are all like their house-made kind of sweet Hawaiian-ish style buns, which they're hefty, but that little bit of sweetness, that savory, a little bit of chicken, guys. There's also a honey sriracha aioli kind of thing going on. All excited about that. Here I have what it's called the Kraken Express. This is like a pulled pork sandwich. Ooh, and it's got a bit of heat. It's actually cooked with like habaneros, bits of like citrus, like some orange, of course the coleslaw on top. Love me some of that. And then here we have this is pretty unique, not gonna lie. This is the fried chicken, or the French toast fried chicken sandwich, which is like, I mean, literally house-made bread, French toast. We have in there a lovely bacon. We have a Swiss cheese, of course, their fried chicken. And there's some syrup if we want as well, kind of that chicken and waffle vibe. Of course, their signature French fries back here with those dehydrated herbs they do in-house. Some Parmesan. Oh, and they smell dang good. But yeah, I got every sauce possible back here. Of course, I have some ketchup, some different mustards. And at that, let's get started here just momentarily. You know what I'm gonna start with? I'm gonna start with a salmon burger, guys. That looks, I mean, that's unique, right? So, salmon patty, ooh, egg, and all that good stuff. So, oh, and it's like a Greek style, almost like tzatziki dressing. So, that's pretty cool. All right, how about you start? Maybe say count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's eat. Oh man, Woo! Talk about tender, moist. That egg on burger, that sweet bread. Oh man. I didn't know what to expect, but this is phenomenal. The bread is like almost kind of flaky, like a biscuit. Wow. They have some southern roots behind this food, and this comes through, guys. It's almost like a sweet biscuit, kind of like a salmon croquette. Oh man! Wow. Comments to the chef. That is a good combo. Delicious. Maybe I'll just work my line a little bit. We got the Thousand Islands. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna save that. You know what? Let's go with the cheeseburger. Good old classic, guys. Got some pickles and cheese and beef, and give it a shot. You know what? Simplicity at its best. This sounds funny, but it's such like a classic cheeseburger taste. And I'm totally okay with that. Try a little bit of ketchup. Oh man. Delicious. And the sweetness of that bread. And like I said, you guys don't have to be quiet by any means. You're totally good. So it's like you hear a pin drop in the room. Hey, you could be in shock. You can be quiet, but you don't have to be. We're about freedom here, guys. All right, delicious. 1,000 ounce burger. Give that a shot. Oh wow. That guacamole. That bacon. Very, very nice, rich sauce. It plays that sweet and savory aspect so well. Honestly, I cannot believe how just encompassing all the flavors are. Like, I mean, I can like dip it in a mustard or something, but not needed. Fantastic. I do love these mustards though, but good burger. All right. Maybe I'll try this one of the burgers. I'll grab this Bison burger. This is one of the big ones. This actually weighs about a pound. So we have calamari rings, the huge bison patty, an egg, everything you need on there. And we are, I believe, just over 4.5 minutes in. So we're doing okay for time. But man, talk about burgers. I actually don't think I've ever had calamari, so squid on a burger before. This could be a first. We'll give it a shot. So, excuse me. Compliments to the chef. Some more compliments. Excuse me, guys. Just give it a go. Big bite. Oh, wow. So that bison, a bit more of a gamey flavor in there. Definitely a bit of a leaner meat. But it is a nice, it's a nice flavor. Like I said, you definitely get that deep bison flavor. It's a toasted bun also. Nice crisp with that sweetness. Guys heading out? No, it's totally cool. Hey, well, thanks for coming, guys. I appreciate you. All right. Delicious. That was a good catch. A banner just fallen. The guy just totally caught it. Here we got the next burger. This is an umami burger, guys. So, some steak on here, short rib, egg. They have the port wine reduction. Excuse me, moi. See what it's all about. This is another hefty one. Oh, wow. Oh, man. The taste of that steak. I like it. So it is rich. I mean, umami. It definitely has an umami aspect to it. Hence the name. Man, that is like a... a delicately flavored, lovely beef burger. All right, delicious. Fries, chicken, pork. I will save the pork for last. Well, I don't know, this is a little sweet, it's like dessert. Let's go with the chicken, guys. Here we got the crispy chicken sandwich, pickles, fried chicken. The sauce in there is really nice. The sriracha honey, kind of like an aioli. No complaints. I think we're about 10 minutes, maybe 20 seconds in. I don't think you can hear it, but the gentleman in the kitchen is going, "That's crazy, it's crazy, bro." It's funny, I like it. They have some great sauce here too. They make all them. They like the Dijonnaise they make. Which is like a Dijon mustard and mayonnaise mix. Good combo. All right. Do some pulled pork. I'm excited for this one, guys. Apparently it's pretty spicy. Cooked, made with habaneros. There's a pineapple marmalade on there as well. Oh, wow. Savory pork. Very savory. Full still has a nice crunch. That pineapple. Definitely is like a Hawaiian pork sandwich. No complaints about that. All right. Chicken and French toast. Thank you all. Thank you all. Like I tell people, they don't have to be quiet. It's by their own choice and own accord. But about 14 minutes in, thoroughly enjoying all these flavors. Really, like, some of it is just so simple, and some that's like a little more lavish. But either way, they're great pairings. So I got fries, and I have the sweet fried chicken. I mean, I think if we're gonna save dessert for last, excuse me, being the fried chicken French toast sandwich, better hit these fries. And they actually serve breakfast all day here. So you get like egg sandwiches and stuff. Excuse me. Woo! Again, compliments to the chef. There you go. All right, try these house-made signature French fries. Oh man. Crispy, really crunchy. Oh yeah, that parm on there, a little bit of herbs. Stick a little bit of garlic up in that bizznizzle. Woo! Actually, a very nice fry. Some people think I don't like French fries. That's not true. But I don't like plain French fries as much as I like seasoned French fries. So, I think all fries should have a seasoning on them. Delicious. And of course the moderate portion is nice. This was two servings. Which I think is reasonable. All right. Here we go. About 16.5 M. Last sandwich. Thank you, buddy. So let's try this. And like I said, they make the bread. It is a brioche. And they did give me some syrup as well. I want some syrup, so let's see what it's all about. Okay. I see what they're doing there. They have the powdered sugar on top. Oh man. Lovely little bit of cinnamon in there. Really get that sweet and savory combo. Man, the even that cheese works really well. I'm a fan. I like French toast. Let me know if you like French toast down below. But chicken and waffles.
I've never seen it before. Not doing it if you got two fathers. You got a father.
All right, I'll try it with the syrup, just for the sake of it. I'm actually enjoying it without though. Like, I think it's just the bread in general has a really nice kind of sweetness in it. But for everybody's sake, a little bit of that syrup dippy drippy action. Oh wow! Woo! Okay. Wow. Delicious. Oh my god. All right. Game changer. Man, that's good. Chicken and waffles, sweet, delicious. Not gonna lie, I would drink that cup of syrup. However, I usually only have the sugar-free syrup. That's normal sugared syrup, so I'm not gonna use too much more of it. But man, that is freaking fire. Definitely try that combo. All right, one more time. Delicious. Oh yeah. Damn, that's good. All right, that's fire. Very good. Fried chicken waffle sandwich. Joel approved. All right, well, we're just over 20 minutes in. And that, I think we are finished right there. I think 2023?
2023.
20 minutes and 23 seconds. About that, you guys have a timer on screen.
2023.
2023. Hey, that's the year. Cool. So they unfortunately they say all good things come to an end, and that is how I feel about this kind of little tray of food. Man, that was awesome. It really was. And they're like, I can see the strip right there. They're super close to the Las Vegas strip. Excusez-moi. Man, I gotta say, I guess what I'm so surprised with. All right, guys, I'm just gonna get ready for a little bit of a rant. So I was like, okay, simple burgers where we started, they were just awesome, which was like so impressive. Like that salmon burger that blew my mind. I was a little skeptical, but they did that so well. Then even just going to that classic cheeseburger, they did that so well. Getting into the kind of more unique, kind of innovative items, I'll call them. Man, like that Thousand Islands burger, again, just the nice combination of the flavors, the way it paired really well with those sweetbreads. At the end there, I mean, that frickin' chicken and waffle sandwich, the French toast, fried chicken, whatever you want to call it. Woo! Hot dang! That is a good one. Thank you. Like I said, definitely a lot of the play on the sweet, on the savory kind of aspect. They have a real culinary background, and they actually had the food truck in Vegas for about 8 years before I opened this brick and mortar. So they have, a really nice foundation, and I can see why. Like, it just works. It really, really does. So at that, I want to say huge thanks to everybody here at the Kraken Cafe. Appreciate them. Huge thanks to everybody who came out to watch. Appreciate you guys as well. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Las Vegas has been a lot of fun. It always is. It's a place known for, well, food. Duh. But a lot of other things as well. So this was great. So yeah, guys, Kraken Cafe, just off the strip. Would recommend. This is delicious. We're going to get the about $100-ish challenge for free. Oh, and shout out those French fries. Those were like one of those times where I was like, hot damn. That was also really, really good. So thanks, everybody. Appreciate y'all. And that, have a lovely day. That's it.
Great.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
I've never seen that. Never have.
Dinner and a show, right? So,
Nice.
wow, that was good. It was real nice. I'm gonna fly like a bird through the night. Feel my tears as they dry. I'm gonna swing from the chandelier, from the chandelier. Everybody, the time has come. Not for me to shave my head, for you to subscribe. So click my face right here, subscribe, click one of these 2 videos I picked just for you. And exciting news, we also have a new channel. So if you want to watch challenges, raw, uncut, so you get to hear what the audience says, hear my real thoughts, opinions, noises, etc., link down below, Joel Hansen Raw. So check that out. Appreciate y'all. Until next time, well, I'll see you in a minute. Click on these videos.